Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how to jailbreak iOS 14.4.1 with no computer. This is 100% untethered. It's working on all iOS versions and all iOS devices, guys. This is super awesome. It literally takes 2 minutes of your time, guys. This is honestly the easiest way to jailbreak any iOS 14 device out there right now, guys. So I'm just going to pop up the Cydia app and show you guys. It's got all the features you need. This thing is fully loaded, guys, as you guys can see. It literally has every single feature. It's working flawlessly. The installation is seamless. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do this. It literally takes 2 minutes, and like I said, it's 100% untethered. No computer is required at all. And like I said, it is working on all versions of iOS, and it is working on all devices as well. I've tested on the 12, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max. I've tried it on 11s, 10s. I literally tried it on every single device, guys, and it is confirmed to be working. So I'm going to show you guys. I am on iOS 14.4.1, so check that out, guys. This is the latest version of iOS right now, and like I said, it is working on earlier versions as well. Even if you're on iOS 13, it still will work. So yeah, and it will work on future versions of iOS, so you don't need to worry about if you accidentally updated your device or anything like that, guys. And like I said, it is very easy to set up. It literally takes 2 minutes. So let's get into it, guys. So the first thing you guys got to do is open up your browser, okay, and do this on Safari. It only works on Safari, guys. And we're gonna go profile download right here, okay? So install, okay, just enter in your passcode quick. Next, install. Okay, so now I've just basically updated my Cydia installer app, or my Cydia app. So we're gonna open that back up, guys, show you guys how to complete the installation now. Right now, it is in shell mode. Your Cydia app is in sandbox mode right now. And basically, to get it out of sandbox mode, it's very easy. You just click on any of the features here. Then once you click on one of these features, it's gonna take you to the installation wizard, okay? And so basically, to complete the installation, you just have to install all the apps on the installation wizard. So for example, once you click any of the features there, it's going to take you to here. And so basically, to get out of the sandbox, you just click on this button, click on the start button. It's going to take you to the installation wizard. So basically, you just have to install all of the apps on the installation wizard and do exactly what their instructions say. Because basically what the developers did was they hid the files for the Cydia jailbreak within these apps on the installation wizard. And then when you install the apps and complete their exact instructions, it initiates a break in the code, which begins transferring the files for the jailbreak over to your device. So it's very easy, guys. So within 30 minutes of completing the installation properly, you will have the Cydia app fully functional on your device. If it's not fully functional within 30 minutes, you did something wrong. You need to go back, install more apps, do exactly what their instructions say, guys, and just be very patient with it. Do not skip through the steps, and just do exactly what each individual app says. Guys, I strongly recommend installing every single app on the installation wizard and doing exactly what their instructions say. It shouldn't take you longer than 15-20 minutes, but once you do it, it's very well worth it, guys. So that's how to jailbreak iOS 14.4.1. Thanks for watching. I'm out.